Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be creating this makeup look right here. It's a very glamorous makeup look, and yet I just used 5 makeup products to achieve this look. Can you believe that? And all of the products that I used are by Swiss Beauty, so they are really affordable as well. And on top of that, they are available on Amazon, and Amazon is running a huge discount on makeup products, beauty products, especially on Swiss Beauty. So make sure to grab all of these products at great prices. I'm currently obsessed with Swiss Beauty makeup, and I think they are literally killing it in the makeup game. So in case if you want to check out all of the products that I use in today's video, all of the links are mentioned in the description box below. So without any further ado, let me quickly dive into today's video. Firstly, I'm using the Swiss Beauty liquid concealer in the shade 04 medium beige. I'm applying the concealer on my under eyes as well as on my lid to cancel out the pigmentation. Also on my cheeks to cover up the blemishes. And I'm also using it as a highlighting concealer and applying it on my forehead, nose and chin. And as you can see, it has just transformed my face completely. You don't even require a foundation on a regular basis. You can just apply a concealer and get this kind of a clean look. For the second product, I'm going to be using the Swiss Beauty Ultra Blush Palette, and this has 4 blush shades and 4 highlight shades. You're getting so many shades and all of the colors are so pigmented, and all of this at just rupees 500, which is super affordable. I'm using that peach color as my blush as I think it would match my outfit perfectly. Can you see how pigmented that is in just one go? I'm also applying the blush on my nose, chin and forehead to balance it out. For highlighter, I'm going to be using this shade. It has some silver and peach reflexes. I really love how my base makeup looks. It looks so pretty, as if I've used some high-end products and as if I've used like tons of products in spite of just using 2 products by now. So I'm really happy with how things look right now, and I'm super impressed with this palette as well. I tried it for the first time and oh my god, I am so obsessed with it already. You're pretty much going to see me using this in a lot of my other tutorials. That is how much I love it. So I also wanted to mention that of the products that I'm using, the entire collection, you can find everything on Haulpack store. I have shared the link in the description box below, and when you click on any product, it will take you to my store where you can make your purchase. So guys, this is shopping made easy, and you can find everything that you like with just one single click. Moving on to eyeshadow, I'm going to be using a combination of these 2 liquid eyeshadows by Swiss Beauty. So that is what they look like, and they're in the shades 01 Gold Goddess and 05 Rose Gold Retro. I'm applying the gold shade on the first half of the lid, and on the second part of the lid I'm applying the rose gold shade. I love how subtle yet glam the eye makeup looks, and it was so easy to achieve this look. Now for my bottom lash line, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick up the same blush color and just apply it there with a tiny brush. I'm gonna go in with that champagne gold color and apply it on the inner corners of my eyes and also on my brow bone. Now to finish off the eye makeup, you can go in with some mascara. I have the Swiss Beauty Precision Thickening Long Lash Mascara. It's a good mascara and it gives you amazing length. Or you can just apply some lashes. Again, I have these Swiss Beauty 3D Studio Effect eyelashes in the shade Winky. I love how glam these lashes are, and I'm going to be using them today. I'm back with some lashes, and I love how glamorous the makeup looks. The lashes are so beautiful, they're so glamorous, and even though I have hooded eyes, they're not really weighing down my eyes as such, but they look really beautiful on me. So I'm absolutely in love with how the eye makeup looks. Now moving on to lipstick. Since we have so much of drama going on the eyes, I'm gonna keep the lipstick a little nude, and I'm gonna be using the Swiss Beauty Bullet Matte Lipstick in the shade 09 Cute Nude. So that's the final look, and I love how the makeup turned out. Can you believe I just used 5 products to achieve such a glamorous look, and that too they were all by Swiss Beauty. Swiss Beauty is literally killing it in the makeup game. Their products are so amazing. They perform just like any other high-end products, and yet they are so budget friendly. So I highly recommend you check out Swiss Beauty makeup products. Take my word on them, they are amazing. And yeah, in case if you happen to recreate this makeup look, then do tag me on your Instagram recreations. In case if you want to check out all of the products that I use in today's video, you can check out the description box below. I have mentioned the link to my haul pack store where you'll find all of the products together, and you can click on any of the products and make your purchase there. So yeah, if you found this video helpful, please give it a big fat thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Follow me on Instagram, and yeah, with that it's a wrap for now. I shall see you super soon.